Hi guys, so I just got back from Boston yesterday and today I'm filming this cleaning my apartment segment because I left my apartment in a huge mess because there was a leak in my apartment and then I have rearranged all my furniture to avoid water. And so as you can see, it's a little bit of a mess right now and I have to unpack and I also did laundry. That's what I'm gonna do today and I thought it would be fun to bring you guys with me and test out my new camera. I like cleaning. So this is what the apartment looks like right now. Um, it's kind of messy. Let's just get started. Okay, I have half of the stuff done, like the cleaning stuff done, but I have to run. So I'm gonna finish this tomorrow. Might as well take you guys with me. I'm gonna go have dinner with my friends and then go grab a drink and then we are seeing a movie rather late tonight. So let's pick out an outfit. It's still a little bit of a mess. I'm just gonna wear this jacket. I just got them yesterday. They fit a little small and it's -5 Celsius today in New York. So I don't know. Let's see if I can make it work. Ooh, look at the sunset outside. What I really like about this jacket is like the buckles and also like the print color. It's really pretty. I'm not liking this black part that's standing out. Maybe I'll try a scarf. And I can make it into like a collar. This is the final fit minus my puffer coat and my shoes. I'm carrying this bag. I got this yesterday as well. A lot of new stuff today. This is the fit. Do we like?
Local train. The next stop is.
Close the door, please.
You look so cute, Taylor. We're at Wayla. Our food is here. I got this cocktail. It's not that good, but the food is good. Wait, the lighting is so much better on your side.
Wait, do you want to sit over here?
No, I'm okay. But yeah, we're still waiting for our friend Beatrice, but we're gonna eat first. We have ribs, we got crab, fried rice, Brussels sprouts. So busy.
Thank you.
We're having lunch. We just had like a full platter of food, but I forgot to film. But now it's dessert. This is tatami. It's not tiramisu, but it looks like it. But wow, so creamy. Madeline Hollander is an artist trained as a ballet dancer. The exhibition titled Entanglement is her third solo show at Borolami Gallery. This is a hologram. The 6 sculptures centered in the show are optical illusion devices made of parabolic mirrors that depicts action figures frozen in a singular choreographic movement. Yeah. Oh, I like this one. Probably plaster.
就是假这种假的，你得那个后面的地方才能有看到货嘛。特别吓人。我就跟他说，哎，这个有没有看一下？他就说没有，一直说没有。然后我说你再。
Look at their trash can. Can you guys see? Look at their trash can. Grumpy. So we meet up with our friend Beatrice and she wanted to get some coffee beans at Grumpy Cafe.
I think for this one, I think we're gonna do consignment for these.
Okay.
The 18th, yeah.
So as you guys know, I have a book called Never Been in Love that's out now, and I'm just consigning in different bookstores.
Again in a month, and then
We just did this.
We got scammed almost. The 2
Did we?
blockers. We almost got scammed.
Wait, something came out.
Why is
That's
there
fucking
a million?
why. That's why it's $16.
We paid $16 for 4 strips,
No, $12.
and they're the same. No, 18. 6 plus 12. Bruh.
No, I don't think so.
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Guys. Oh, there's more. I'm dead. I'm so dead. We just came into this photo booth and we did our thing. It was really confusing with the card.
I think that's how they make you pay extra.
Yeah, I think it's a scam. Anyways, we took
3
one set of pictures and we got 3 copies and
The same shit.
of the same shit. Like, who needs this much?
Just give it to your friends as a gift. Like, hey, here's my face.
As a
Just put it on your
bookmark.
desk.
But yeah, we paid $18. 12 plus 6.
That was stupid.
So let's recap. I went to a couple bookstores today to drop off my book and submit them for consignment. And after that, I went to change my piercing. Oh my god, it's dark. And then we went to the photo booth to get our pictures taken. And we got non-caffeine matcha latte from this place called Nippon-cha. The matcha is really good. It just gives I just have amnesia every time I got the real matcha. So non-caffeine. Grabbing a little snacky snack. Okay. Hi, are you eating here?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
We're getting the pork onigiri and the spicy tuna onigiris.
Yep.
Okay, 716.
很好笑，我们两个拍拍手。I'm hungry. I fucked it up.
Oh. 玩石
Wait, we're like black and white.
I haven't noticed.
Twinning. Are you recording?
Yeah, yeah.
R. Slay.
We're doing a cheers moment.
Okay. I only know 4, 5. Are we choosing?
For a second, I thought we were like.
Can I film you?
Yes.
It's a shot of
I bought another lens. Wait, look at the lens. It's like magnetic.
My favorite sour soda is the grapefruit one.
What the fuck?
And you can
Ow.
plum wine.
Okay, let me do June.
What's happening?
I'm
Has like
tracking
face
you.
tracking, like motion
Cute.
version.
How does the face tracking work?
I'm gonna tap on
You
you.
tap on their face and it like moves it.
I move here.
Oh, it's following you. Whoa. Whoa.
Crazy.
I mimed it.
I don't know what the hell it is.
This is such Leo energy.
Yeah.
Wait, can we do a different one?
Yeah,
Different ones?
Oh, different?
Oh, the first one.
Same different one.
I'm dead, guys.
Okay, okay. Oh, same?
I'm wearing two layers of socks, that's why.
What are you guys getting? Me too.
Yours has soup in it.
I know. Yours doesn't?
No. It's dry.
I feel like we're K-pop trainees.
Eat ramen. Cafeteria.
The first co-ed. Co-ed. That's so funny.
Is it good?
Mmm.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
That's good.
Yummy.
It's really good if you like eat it with like steak or some sort of protein.
Wait, why did they give me chashu?
Did you ask me a question?
You don't want it? Just keep it. Just keep it.
I asked for tofu. So they give me both.
Double protein.
Yeah. I think it's probably my
Miss Lexapro?
Miss Lexapro.
It's working.
I'm like crazy every day.
Yes.
He's like, I'm so excited, but I kind of want to throw up. In a good way.
Chrissy, look at the gimbal. What's a gimbal? It's like a camera that turns. Whoa. That's cool. Yeah.
I'm in my vlogging era. I was gonna say, it's gonna turn into a food channel. It's just me everywhere eating.
I would watch that. Mukbang?
Yeah. I'm so happy.
Yeah, you're getting excited already?
Like evening, I have to go to the airport at like around 7.
Are you gonna do the airport pickup thing? I keep thinking about that guy.
What airport thing? What?
The neon light.
Yeah, the neon lights.